Microplastic in seafood. Out of the 25 most important species and genera of global marine fisheries, gut of 12 species has been found microplastic debris. Although microplastic recorded in gut of common fishes such as sardines, anchovies, shrimps, urchins, but it become important food safety concern for shellfish, mussels, clams and some shrimps, as a whole, including the gastrointestinal tract, is consumed. Mussels from Europe contain less than 0.5 microplastic particle per gram, whereas from China it contains 4 microplastic particles per gram. 250 grams of mussels per day per person is consumed by Belgian elderly population, which may be containing approximately 9 micrograms microplastic. The exposure assessment on microplastics in mussels confirmed that the estimated daily intake of microplastics is 0.15 micrograms per kilogram.
Mussels are super important. They're what we call ecosystem engineers, which basically means that they create a complex 3D habitat when they settle on rocks. Blue mussels are filter feeders, which means they're constantly bringing seawater into their bodies, filtering through what's there, trying to find their lunch, their breakfast, their dinner, and basically they can filter up to hundreds of liters of water a day. So this is a very beautiful image of what it's like for a mussel to kind of live its everyday life. All the little dots that we can see floating around are what we call plankton. And what the mussel does is it kind of creates its own little current and brings food particles into its body through the in-current siphon. It's not able to say, oh, I want to bring you inside and not this other particle. It'll bring anything that's present, so that could include microplastics. Blue mussels are eating microplastics, and then humans are eating blue mussels. How many microplastics are humans eating? We want to understand how much plastic is in mussels right now, because we know that plastic pollution is increasing. It has been increasing for many decades, and it doesn't look like it's going to slow down. We are polluting our oceans, and we are the people that need to understand what we're doing in order to move forward in creating solutions.